The Blogger's Renaissance. Why 2025 is the year of the content comeback. In a world dominated by short-form content and algorithm-fed virality, something surprising is happening in 2025. Blogs are making a comeback. But it's not a return to the old-school diary-style musings or keyword-stuffed SEO traps. The new wave of blogging is deeper, personality-driven, visually integrated, and backed by community engagement. Bloggers in 2025 aren't just writers, they're micro-influencers, researchers, and digital brand builders. With the rise of AI fatigue and trust erosion in mainstream platforms, audiences are turning back to humans, real voices with substance and perspective. A big reason for this shift is the creator burnout from chasing trends on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Bloggers are reclaiming their space by owning their content, email lists, and monetization models. Substack, Ghost, and even revamped versions of Medium have seen a 40% rise in active creators since Q4 of 2024. These platforms offer full creative control, where bloggers don't depend on likes or views, but on loyalty and insight. In response, brands have started rerouting their influencer budgets toward niche blogs with high reader engagement and lower bounce rates. At the same time, AI-generated content floods the internet, making authentic human voices more valuable than ever. Readers are developing a radar for generic content, seeking out blogs that reflect lived experiences. Original research or narrative depth. The rise of personal newsletters has also contributed to this trend. Audiences crave routine touchpoints, a digital coffee chat with creators they trust. Bloggers who pair storytelling with practical value, think productivity hacks, travel itineraries, financial literacy, mental health, are winning. They're not just building an audience, they're cultivating communities. This renaissance is also visual. Fire poster-style illustrations, carousels, and infographic-rich layouts are becoming standard features of high-performing blogs. Think visual storytelling for each blog entry, mini posters for each insight, swipeable wisdom in bold fonts. Tools like Canva Pro, Notion, and Figma are now essentials in the blogger's toolkit, turning written wisdom into viral shareables. The modern blogger knows your words matter, but your visuals build the brand. In 2025, to blog is to build a world, one post, one poster, one person at a time.